You know, when I first stumbled upon this 7-week fast weight loss running program, I was skeptical. I mean, who wouldn't be? The idea of transforming my body in just 7 weeks felt like a fairy tale. Like something out of a movie where the protagonist wakes up one day, looks in the mirror, and sees a completely different person staring back. But I was tired of feeling sluggish, tired of the way my clothes fit, or rather, didn't fit. So I decided to take the plunge. Week 1 was a rude awakening. I remember lacing up my sneakers, feeling the weight of my decision pressing down on me. The first run was a struggle. I could barely make it to the end of the block without gasping for air, my legs screaming in protest. I thought about quitting right then and there, but something inside me flickered. Maybe it was stubbornness, or maybe it was the faint hope that I could actually change. So I kept going, one foot in front of the other, even when my lungs felt like they were on fire. By week 2, I started to notice little changes. I could run a little farther without stopping, and my energy levels began to rise. I was still sore, but it was a good kind of sore, the kind that whispered, "You're doing something." I started to feel lighter, not just physically, but mentally too. Each run became a small victory, a moment where I could escape the chaos of life and just focus on the rhythm of my feet hitting the pavement. Week 3 hit, and I was feeling bold. I decided to push myself a little harder, adding intervals of sprinting into my routine. It was exhilarating and terrifying all at once. I felt like a kid again, running just for the joy of it, the wind whipping through my hair. But with the exhilaration came the doubt. Would I really be able to keep this up? What if I failed? By week 4, I had shed a few pounds, and the compliments started rolling in. Friends noticed, and I could see the surprise in their eyes. It fueled me. I was no longer just running. I was reclaiming my life. I started to experiment with my diet, swapping out junk for healthier options, and it felt empowering. As the weeks rolled on, I found myself in a rhythm. Week 5, 6, and finally 7 came, and I was a different person. I had lost weight, sure, but more importantly, I had gained confidence. I learned that it wasn't just about the numbers on the scale. It was about the journey, the sweat, the struggle, and the triumph. I had transformed, and it was just the beginning.